Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sadique and welcome to the playlist of data science. This is the fifth video of data science playlist, and today we will discuss few things. That is machine learning, training and testing, because we know that machine learning is the backbone of data science. We need statistics, and with that statistic we move to the machine learning section and use this statistic to finalize the feature set. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is the subfield of artificial intelligence. How we can achieve important prediction? Definitely we will need data to train the machine learning model to achieve our goal as a data scientist. So we can have different types of goal, like it can be computer vision problem, it can be business problem, it can be other technological problem. I must say that it is the entrance to the career in data science. In the data analysis, we need to have statistics. We focus on specific statistics to achieve some rules, some association, some correlation between different factors. Once we achieve this statistic, then we move to the next section, and that is machine learning. And in the machine learning, we finalize our model and our feature sets based on their specific statistics. So in machine learning, we mostly deals with the data, training set, testing set and predictions. Where if you achieve data, so you will split that data into training and testing set, and then you can achieve your prediction. In the training set, you will train your model using that training data, and the testing data should be unknown to the model that you are going to train. So once you train the model, then you will move to the next section, and in this section you will test your model. You will see what's the accuracy. So it will be the prediction accuracy. There are many applications of machine learning, and such as traffic monitoring. We use different machine learning and deep learning technologies to monitor traffics. Social media recommendation system, like if you're scrolling down your feeds in Facebook or in Twitter or in LinkedIn, then the recommendation of different advertisement and different post is due to your particular recommendation system. We use machine learning and deep learning models to achieve the goal of recommendation system. So the third one is self-driving car or driverless car. In that it's also called autonomous agent systems. So in that we use deep learning and object detection models. So the computer vision area of research mainly focus self-driving car. The fourth one is Google Translator. Google Translator use machine learning to learn from their experience. Like if you put something in Urdu and it translates it to English or in Arabic, so it's learned from the experience. Like definitely it needs some feedback from you. So if there is a post in Urdu and in Pashto and in Arabic, so the Facebook automatically translate it into English, and then it need the feedback, like it need read this translation. So same is the fraud detection, and many more. Fraud detection technologies can be used in Facebook, in bank systems, and every social media which need protection from the hackers. So what ML brings together? Actually ML brings together statistics, mathematics, computer science and computer science algorithms. So the next thing is here the students will be confused that what is the difference between ML and DBMS, database management system. Most of the beginners in that area, they don't know the difference. If you need to search something using different queries, but you cannot search such things in ML, because you will have to apply your model on an unknown data to have some prediction. I will clear these things with the two examples. If a person came to the university, the admission office, and asked about someone, and then the information office will search his name in the information system. So if it exists, then definitely then the person can get information. If it's not exist, if there is no record found, so definitely the person cannot achieve any information. So another example is that a person came to the university and asked admission officer that this is my GPA and I belong to that area, it's that much far away from the university, and tell them a few other features. And then finally that person asked from the admission officer, can I get the admission or not? What do you predict? The information officer can tell two things, yes or no, based on his experience. Because he can say that, yeah, I know such person who got admission last semester. Don't confuse between the ML and the DBMS. DBMS is something else, and we use DBMS to train the model. The DBMS is just to store data, and we can use that data for predictions. So I divided ML methodology into two sections, training and testing section. In the training section, we divide data set into training and testing. In the training section, we train the model using the train set. So here it depends on you that how you are going to train your model. You can use k-fold cross validations. You can use your own defined techniques to efficiently train your model. So here it will be totally depend on your procedure that how you are going to train. In the next lecture, we will try to discuss the k-fold cross validation. Once you train your model, then in the testing set, you will test your model on the test set, and that test set should be unknown to the model that they already trained on the training set. So you should make sure that there is no repetition of such values that already exist in the training set. So you should be sure about that. You can get unbiased accuracy. You will check the accuracy using different techniques. You can use different techniques like F1 score, precision, recall, and many more accuracy measure to test your model accuracy. Also, there are various machine learning techniques, and you can define your own techniques as well. You can modify all these techniques. The first one is Bayesian Inference Method. In the Bayesian Inference Method, we use four types of probability, and that is prior probability, conditional probability, joint probability, and posterior probability. Linear regression, we use linear regression for statistics to achieve the correlation between the different factors or between the two factors. Logistic regression is also a statistical method to achieve the correlation between the different factors. So we can also use decision tree, SVM, knife Bayes, KNN, K-mean, and random forest. In the next lectures, we will try to define Bayesian Inference Method. I will try to give you some example in Excel sheet to explain the Bayesian Inference Method. And later on, we will discuss the linear regression, logistic, and other machine learning model. In the next lecture of this playlist, we will have a look at deep learning models and what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning. Thank you so much.